Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JBL Tune 570. So, all controls located at the right ear cup. And let's get started with the power button was located at the bottom. So, with this button you can turn on or turn off your headphones. You can also enter prank mode. If when your headphones is turned off, you just press and hold this power button and then wait until this LED light flashed blue. Then we have volume control buttons and also multifunctional button. If you press one time the multifunctional button, you will play or pause the song. I just pause it, I press again, and I play a song. If someone called to you, you can press one time at this multifunctional button to answer the call, and then you can finish the call by also press one time at the multifunctional button. Next, if you press two times at the multifunctional button, you will call voice assistant. So I have iPhone and I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, so then you will call Gemini. 1, 2, and now as you can see, Siri is awake. Also, when someone calls to you, you can press and hold this multifunctional button and you will reject the call. Next one, we have volume control button, and if you press one time at the volume up button would have a plus icon, you will increase the volume. So I press on it, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. To lower it you need to press one time at the volume down button would have a minus icon, and as you can see I just press on it and lower the volume. Now if you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. And if you press and hold at your volume down button, you will play previous track. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.